Institute. National, not natural, national. So these are the standards that say all the things on drawings. And during the whole semester, we're going to learn about all different ANSI standards so that we're following the standards that are set forth for engineering drawings. So first thing, okay, have you all used Canvas already? Okay, I know different faculty organize it differently, and so do I. I kind of organize it the way my mind thinks. And the way I have it, the way it's organized is by class. So those of you who took Engineering 5 from me last semester when I used Canvas for the first time, I'm organizing it in the same way for class. Okay, so at the top is the syllabus, and we should go over the syllabus. So notice when you open this, you're going to see home, and whether you click on home or module, you're going to see the same thing. All the modules are in the home. There'll occasionally be announcements if there's something I forgot to say in class, or there's some cool thing that I learned about that I want to share with you, I'll do that. And then there's certainly an assignments and then people. All of you are in it. So I'm in modules right now, and here's the syllabus. In addition to the syllabus, then there's engineering resources, and some of those things that if you were in Engineering 5, I have here. Some of you have not taken Engineering 5, maybe, which is the course where you explore all the fields of engineering to determine which one you really want. I think there's about half of you took Engineering 5 for me in the last couple of years. So those of you who haven't, it is a transfer requirement to San Jose State. Some majors, it's a transfer requirement to UC Berkeley. But otherwise, if you want to discover if you are choosing the right field of engineering, take Engineering 5. Okay? But what I did put into this Engineering 25 module is engineering resources. And there's a bunch of things here about careers in engineering that you could take a look at. Okay? So this is really just career exploration, actually, why don't I call it. Okay? Okay. Terminology, these are terms that this is where I'm going to keep all the terms for our class, and I put some in already, and we can take a look at them, and we've used it. Design engineer, a person designing a part or creating the documentation package. Manufacturing engineer, person building the part. Documentation packages, drawings and words that describe a part. The term plans and specs, on Wednesday we're going to talk a little bit more about that. This is the same kind of thing. Usually, for mechanical engineers, so I have to edit. Documentation package is usually for mechanical engineers. That's the term that's used by mechanical engineers more. Plans and specs is typically used more by civil engineers, structural engineers, and environmental engineers. Some of these other terms we haven't seen yet. The only ones we've been looking at so far is this. See this? So first module is syllabus, second module is the resources, third module is the terminology. These are all the rules of the course, and I put some rules in there already, and I'll tell you when we're going to use them. In fact, all these rules are in the class that we cover them. Is everybody with me? Stand up. Everybody stand up. Let's stretch. Bending. What's the official word for twisting in engineering?